Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day here in the Philippines. And actually, what I want to share with you this morning is that we are making a bit of progress on, well, we're going to make a small change to the house. And it's not a big change, but it kind of is. So, do you remember maybe a couple of vlogs ago I shared with you about the problem that we had with cats living up in the ceiling? We had hardy flecks above there, and so there was you couldn't see the wooden beams. The hardy flecks covered that. But we made the decision well, I made the decision really, because nothing was going to happen otherwise, to get rid of the hardy flecks and move the cats. And I'm delighted to say that the cats are safe. They're outside, and they actually well, what happened was that the kittens sort of went into the field and they kind of got separated from the mother, but then the mother got reunited with them last night, and we saw them leading them into that house there. So they're living there now. And but that's not the point. The point is that what I'm going to do is that we're going to tidy all this up. We're going to dismantle this, and we're going to basically get sliding windows installed. No, not that kind of window. This kind of window. And that'll be nice because it means that you don't really have much creatures that are flying in at night. You don't have, obviously we'll seal that area up there as well, to stop any animals coming in. Like we had a rat coming in before as well. That was before the cats. And so we're going to clear all this up. The window people just came out today to take the measurements, and then they'll come back later this afternoon, hopefully, and to get the windows ready. And so it's time to do some work. Oh yes, and the cost, they said that the cost will be 3,150 pesos, so that's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, well that's I'm happy with that. So it'll make the house look a bit better as well, I think. And
with the aircon, when we turn on the aircon,
oh yes,
the air will not come out.
Yeah. But we need to make sure that we'll have something to seal up there as well, so that the cats don't come back in. But right, so where can I put this GoPro to start? Yeah, that'll do. Let's see what work I can do. Work time, guys, work time. Oh, look at these dirty cloths. You know, there's been a curtain sitting there, hanging here for the last year, so you don't really see what's behind it, but we can keep those pegs, those clips. What is this? What's that? That's, whatever it is, that's going in the garbage. Sauce!
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce, eh? Hot sauce just sitting there, guys. Who don't know how old that is? Just scrape all that dust off right there. Oh, watch! I don't want you getting.
Guys, it's throwing dust to us.
Is that poop?
No, cement.
Let's clear it off a bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All the cement and particles. Particles! Yeah.
Oh, that's a nail there. Right, I'll get the broom now and sweep that off.
Okay.
Do we have the? I know.
Yeah.
It's difficult to sweep it outside the key. Do we have a smaller? Where's the wee sweeper that
In the car.
in the car? Try not to breathe that in, dear. Ah, it's working. It's working. smell the dust. Okay.
Yan. So that's where they're gonna attach the frame.
Oh yeah. Oh. I should have worn a face mask. I just cleaned this yesterday. This wood as well?
No.
No, they're not doing. No.
You know what I
Let's-
said? That come here, come at Inday to.
You did?
Oo.
I'm not sure what you meant, but anyway. Okay. Adiano taba ching ching. And material never goes to waste because he will use it for his chickens. Isn't that right, brother?
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Nice. Salamat, brother. Now you take that for your chickens. Is it? If in doubt, let your brother-in-law do it. Nice. So that's the window behind me all cleared up. The sink behind me is all cleared up, and we're just waiting on the people from the window company to come back here. And actually, the company is based in our village, so they're not too far away at all, which is great. And we used them whenever we got our windows in our house put in place, and they're very they've got a good reputation, I think. So everyone uses them, and I will link their name for you in the description below if you live nearby. I'll link them for you in this video, their Facebook page. And so, yeah, this is all cleared up, and like I say, we're just waiting. And I have no money, but that's okay, because what I can do is I can go and cash out from a sari store, so it saves me the hassle of having to go downtown to withdraw from an ATM. And basically, how that works is that I send money across from my bank via Remitly to Gcash, and to the person that works in the sari store, the owner of the sari store, and then they charge a small fee to withdraw, like 3,000 pesos, 4,000 pesos, maybe it's like 20 or 30 pesos charge for withdrawing money. So it's pretty good that you can have that in the province, so you don't have to worry about going looking for an ATM machine. And today's lunch, what is today's lunch? It looks like it is crabs, possibly something else as well, I don't know. So we're just waiting on, I don't know what we're waiting on, but yeah. Well, it's still quite early actually. Alright guys, that is the work finished. We now have a nice brand new window in our kitchen. So we've replaced the cage, and if you ask me, in my opinion, this here is a lot better. Looks good, doesn't it? And are we allowed to open this yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I just noticed they were sort of gluing that and silicone. But maybe it's okay. So let's... There we are. Testing our window for the first time. Wow. Diba? So we can kind of keep it open during the day, which lets a bit of light in, and when we're cooking as well. And I like that. So what I'm thinking of it as well about this wood here. Maybe we need to sand that down just to make it a bit smoother and make it a bit more.
Sweep mo lang na.
Sweep it.
Oh, that's that.
Ah, okay.
And then we'll just we'll see.
Yeah, but I'd sort of like to cover it.
Ceiling lang.
Ceiling, okay. And then obviously there's a gap up there which a cat could probably still jump up onto from that tree. So we'll need to put something in between the gap between there and there. So I'll figure that out and think about what we can do. Maybe chicken wire or something. We'll see. But yeah, I'm pleased with the window. So yeah, we are slowly making changes to our little tiny province house. And we're going to eat some lunch now. Where's the lid? Ah. Okay. Crab and fish.
Yes, look at the crabs.
The crabs.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Look at this. How fat. Let's open. Let's see if it's fat. No, it's not. It has no algae.
It's no what? Ah, fat? Ah, sige. Okay.
It's not fat. How about this one? Ay! It's nami guys. Wow.
What are we looking at? The fat there?
This is algae.
Wow. Gonna enjoy a nice meal. So, if anything else happens, we'll see you later.
Millions.
What?